His date is November 4th, 2023, and I'm here with Mauricio and Benito, replacing the roofing over the garage. It was leaking, so Benny is the guy in charge here. So we have to replace the fascia. So we got this all cleaned up, and we've got the we have the roofing material is ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this fascia that goes right here. This is the fascia right here. So we're going to replace that. Then the overhang is going to go over here. So what's happening right now is where this is, these 2x6s, we're going to cut the roofing back 1.5 inches, the width of the 2x6. Then we already pulled off the overhang. So what's going to happen, the fascia is going to come out here, and then we're going to extend it. We've got a 16-foot 2x4 that we're going to put out here. Then that'll allow us to put the eave boards on and have that all tied together. So all the fascia will be up, and the replacing all this rotted out wood right here. And Benito worked so fast, with probably in another 15 minutes we'll be ready. So we're just putting this fascia on here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut a 2x4 from the inside of this to the inside of that down there. And we're just going to, we'll put the 2x4 in down there first. And so that's what we're working on next. So we're going to be making a measurement and working on that. Okay, so this is what we're doing. Ben is screwing that off. Oops. Oh, I mean Panchito's. Panchito's doing it. Wow, left-handed. Did Mauricio keep it all right? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut little 2x4s to go between the old one and the new one. So we're going to fill this in with little shorties. So that's coming up next. This is Benito's going to cut these chiquitas here, and then we're almost ready to build this out with the rest of the roof right here. And then that'll come out to this edge, and then the fascia, we'll put the fascia board on here and we'll be set. We're getting close. Tail it. 1220. Okay, I'll be back. That's basically how it's going to look. So we're going to be putting those all the way across, but flat. So I'm going to do this one right now. Okay, so we're about halfway done on getting these all in. As you can see there, we're getting real close to being able to finish this off here. $25 1/4. So Benito's got some good idea on how to cut the fascia angles together. Go the other. Oh, that'll work. Just make it straight. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to cut this at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so this is where we're at. We got the one piece of the fascia on, and Ben's screwing that off. And now you can see how that looks from underneath. So we got that all done. Because it was such a short, overhang, we used 2x4. Could have used 2x6, but overkill, and it has no structural quality to it. So anyway, we're almost done with this part of it. Okay, so he's just finishing up on the fascia right there, and I'm going to go down. I'll go down and help you with that. So I'll be back. Okay, so we got this all trimmed out. So what we're going to do now, we're going to kind of even up these edges here. These aren't anchored down, so that's what we're going to do next. And then the roofing guys are going to be here in a few minutes. So we're going to put the flashing on and then take it from there. Okay, so Benito's putting the drip rail on, and then we got some of the older drip rail that's going to go on there to make that transition. So that's what we're going to do next, and then the roofers are going to be here next. So couldn't have picked a better day to do a roofing job. What we're trying to do is this plastic doesn't come off as easy as we'd like. You know, if you want to come up and help, I guess you can, bud. So anyway, we got the overhang and the drip rails on. Now what we're going to do is take this piece right here, and we're going to slide it underneath a couple of these, and that is so we can get everything underneath there. Then the next, when we start from there, we're going to bring it back, and then this last one will go underneath these top shingles. So we're going to be practicing. We got our torch ready, and we're going to put this under there and get it all hot and see how it works, and put some Henrys on there. So right now we're working on trying to get the plastic off. These two had to come in and save the day. I'll stand on the end there so you guys can pull it. Okay, then you can work from behind there. Let me hold this end down here. This stuff doesn't peel back real in a straight sheet. It almost looks like a depleted prophylactic. Well, so much for YouTube. Okay, so the way this works is you put this down and then you use this torch right here, and you heat it up, and then it just fuses to the wood, and it's got the the gravel on top, and but they sure don't make it easy to peel that plastic off.
I'm gonna borrow your knife. Right.
What?
Knife. Your knife.
Oh. So anyway, I was going to tamp it down, but the way that it's so it doesn't take much heat to get it to fuse, so my foot went through it a little bit there. But this is, we'll put this on first, and then we're going to bring the other ones up and cover this up and tie it in with the rest of this shingles over here. Okay, we're getting real close to a finish here. So as you can see, there's going to be where we're going to overlap these here pretty quick, then we'll have another one, so it's going to be pretty thick on that end. And then we're going to once this is all laid down, then we'll start at the top and work this way with the propane, with the torch. So another update.